Hi, hello, welcome back to Homeschool. Mathematics SSLC Model Question Paper 2022-23. In our last two videos, we have completed 3 mains in 2 parts. Now today is part 3. In this part, we are going to continue 4th main. 4th main, answer the following questions. 9 questions will be there in this main. Each carries 3 marks. 9 into 3, 27 marks. 25th problem. This main continues the numbering of 25. Divide the polynomial p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 by the polynomial g of x is equal to x square minus 2. Find the quotient and remainder, means we need to find q of x and r of x. Divide the polynomial. Let's do the division of polynomials. X cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. When you are doing division of a polynomials, you need to observe the powers. If you see any missing powers, you need to add with a 0 into x power that number, right? So here 3, 2, 1, 0 order there. So let's divide this with g of x. Observe here x square, x power 1 term is missing. That means write here with 0 into x minus 2. As it is also you can divide. If you write this, you will be very comfortable in doing division, right? So x square plus 0 into x minus 2. Now, this p of x first term divide by g of x first term. That means x cube by x square. Cube will be cancelled, 1x is left. That x right here. So again with this x multiply, x into x square is x cube. Plus into plus plus, 0 into x is 0 into x square, or just you can write 0. So simply I will write here 0 into x square minus 2 into x, 2x, right? So now subtract, change signs, cancel, minus 3x square, 5x plus 2x will be 7x. Bring this minus 3 down, and again minus 3x square by x square divide, minus 3 is left right here, and with minus 3 multiply this, minus 3x square plus into minus 0 into anything is only 0 you can write. Simply I may write here 0 into x, minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. And now again same sign, so subtract and change sign, right? Cancel, 7x minus 3 minus 6 will be minus 9. So we cannot continue, this is only the end. That means when you divide this polynomial p of x by polynomial g of x, we get a quotient. Q of x is how much? X minus 3. And a reminder, r of x is equal to 7x minus 9. Okay? Q of x is equal to x minus 3. R of x is equal to 7x minus 9. 26th problem. The area and perimeter of a rectangular field are 60 meters square and 32 meters respectively. Find the length and breadth of the field. Okay, let me assume a rectangle. Okay, let us consider this as a rectangle. We don't know length and breadth. Let me assume it as LB. The area and perimeter of a rectangular field are area and perimeter given. So, given, I am doing the problem in short, try to understand, and you write neatly stepwise. Area of a rectangle formula, L into B. What is that value given here? L into B is equal to 60 meters square, right? And perimeter is how much given? 32 meters. What is perimeter formula? 2 into L plus B is equal to 32. This 2 send this side. L plus B is equal to 32 by 2, that will be 16. L plus B is equal to 16. If you want, you can transpose B other side. L is equal to 16 minus B. Mark this L into B or LB is equal to 60. Mark this first and mark this second. L value substitute in that. Substituting L is equal to 16 minus B in equation 1. That is LB is equal to 60. In L place, write 16 minus B into B is equal to 60. 16B minus B square is equal to 60. See, B square you have negative, so these two terms transpose other side. That makes B square minus 16B plus 60. B square minus 16B plus 60 equal to 0. This 0 at a time you can send other side, equal to 0 you can write. Now factorize this equation. 60, what are the factors? 10 6 are 60, right? 60 factors, 10, 6. You should get minus 16. That means minus 10 minus 6. B square minus 10B minus 6B plus 60 equal to 0. Take out B common. B minus 10 minus 6 common. Again B minus 10 equal to 0. Then this will be B minus 10 into B minus 6 equal to 0. B minus 10 equal to 0 or B minus 6 equal to 0. B is equal to plus 10, B is equal to plus 6. Therefore, B is equal to 10 or B is equal to 6. Breadth is 10. Now, these values you substitute in any one of the equation. Let me go with the second equation. L is equal to 16 minus 10. Substitute here B value 10. That will be how much? 6. Suppose if I substitute B is equal to 6 in the second equation, what happens? L is equal to 16 minus 6, that is 10. What can you say? If breadth is 10, length will be 6. If breadth is 6, length will be 10. Units you need to write. There you can see meter square, that means length 6 meters or 10 meters. Breadth 10 meters or 6 meters. Therefore, what you can say here? Find the length and breadth of the field. If length is 6 meters, breadth will be 10 meters. Or if length is 10 meters, breadth will be 6 meters. In 26, we have one more OR question. A bus travels 360 km distance with uniform speed. If the speed of the bus had been 10 km per hour more, it would have taken 3 hours less for the same journey. Find the speed of the bus. So what is given in this problem? 26 OR question. Distance D is equal to how much? 360 kilometers. This problem along with the verbal statements you need to complete. Uniform speed of the bus had been 10 kilometers more. Let the initial speed be x. And what happens to the speed? Speed increases, that is x plus 10. Now, how much time it takes less? If the speed increases, time decreases. How much time it is decreasing? 3 hours less. Find speed of the bus. How can we find speed here? So, we know a relation, that is time is equal to distance by speed. And the initial speed and distance, same distance. 360 kilometers, speed x. And when the speed increases, it will be x plus 10 is equal to how many hours it is taking less? 3 hours less. The speed increasing, time decreasing. So what you are going to take here? You are going to take a negative sign in middle and solve this. X and x plus 10 LCM, x into x plus 10, and now multiply x plus 10 here, 360 into x plus 10 minus 360 into x, that is 360x, directly you can write. Now remove this bracket, 360x plus 360 into 10, 3600 minus 360x by x square plus 10x is equal to 3. Minus 360x plus 360x cancel. Now cross multiply, that is 3 into x square plus 10x is equal to 3600. This 3 send other side, x square plus 10x is equal to, or directly you can cancel, 3 ones are 3, 1200s is equal to 1200. 1200 bring this side, x square plus 10x minus 1200 equal to 0. What are the factors for this? 1200. Okay, 0, 0 you write here. For 12, what are the factors? 4, 3, right? That means 40, 30s are, let us check it out. Yes, you may get 10, but how? If you multiply, you should get negative. If you add or subtract, you should get positive value. That means plus 40 minus 30. 40 minus 30, it will be 10. So write here x square plus 40x minus 30x minus 1200 equal to 0. Now in these two, x is common, x plus 40 minus 30 common, x plus 40 is equal to 0. Now again x plus 40 is common, x minus 30 is equal to 0, x plus 40 equal to 0 or x minus 30 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 40 or x is equal to plus 30. See, speed cannot be negative. So what I can say? Therefore, speed of the bus is 30 kilometers per hour. Therefore, the speed of bus is 30 kilometers per hour. While you are solving this problem, read the question 2 to 3 times. Start with the given data with the statements. A bus travels a distance of 360 kilometers, and when the speed increases and the time decreases, those all statements you write. We know time is equal to distance by speed and the ratios, and then solve the equation, right? 27th problem. Find the mean for the following group of data. Your data is here. Class interval and frequency is given. 0 to 20, 12, 20 to 40, 14, 40 to 68, 60 to 86, 80 to 100, 10. We are going to find mean for the given data. Mean means immediately we remember a formula. Mean x bar is equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. Observe in this table fi there. So immediately let me add all the frequencies. Summation or a sigma fi means sum of all the frequencies. 12 plus 14, 26. 26 plus 8, it will be 34. 40, 50. Okay. Now, what about fi xi? What is xi? Xi is a class mark. How do we get this? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So, take 2 more columns, extend and mark here xi. Class mark, lower limit plus upper limit. 0 plus 20, 20. 20 by 2 will be 10. Similarly, 20 plus 40, 60. 60 by 2 is 30. And next 50, then 70, then 90. Right? Now, another column, fi xi needed. So multiply fi and xi. 12 tens are 120. 14 into 30. 420. Right? 8 into 50. 400. 70 into 6. 420. 10 into 90. 900. Add all this. 0. And this is 6. 5, 9, 13. And this will be 22. This is nothing but just little you can write summation fi xi is equal to, you write here. Now substitute those values in mean formula. 2260 by 50. 0, 0 cancel. 5 4s are 20. 26 left. 5 5s are 25. 0.1 left. 10. That is 5 2s are 10. So your answer is 45.2 is the mean for the given data. Right? In this 27 you have one more odd problem. Find the median for the following group data. Class interval and frequency. You can see the data given here. We need to calculate median. Median, we remember a formula. What is that? Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So this is your median formula. L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. First, how to do the median? We are going to take one more column. This is cumulative frequency column. That means go on adding the frequency. 5, first one as it is. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 20, 33. 33 plus 15, 48. 48 plus 7, 55. 55 plus 5, 60. Right? This is cumulative frequency. In order to find median, first we are going to find the median class. How we are going to get median class? See, total. This is nothing but the total frequency. If you want, you can add all the frequencies. What you are going to get? Summation F is nothing but 60. Median class you need to find. See the total frequency, half of it. This is nothing but n, you can say. What is n by 2? N by 2 is nothing but 60 by 2 is equal to 30. Okay. 30, observe in cumulative frequency. 35, 13, 33. That means 30 will be here. So just round up with a pencil and say this is only the median class. You need to write median class 20 to 30. You can write here. Right? And observe in the table. In median class, lower limit is L. And what about n by 2? 30. Cumulative frequency just above the median class. Frequency in the median class, H class size. That means H is equal to upper limit minus lower limit, that is 10. Right, now we are going to substitute all these. L 20 plus n by 2. What is your n by 2? 30 minus cumulative frequency is 13 by frequency 20 into H 10. 0, 0 cancel. And now 20 plus 30 minus 13, it will be 17 by 2. Cancel. 2 8s are 16. 0.25s are 10. Add. 28.5 is the median. See, you can check whether your answer is right or wrong. That answer should be there in the median class interval. Right? 20 to 30, 28.5 will be there. So what you have done is right. Okay. 28th problem. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of age of 100 policy holders. Draw less than type ogive for the given data. Age in years, less than 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 given. Number of policy holders, cumulative frequency 12, 25, 40, 66, 84, 100. See there in the table ready data given. So what we are going to do? We are going to do less than type ogive. So simply take the graph sheet. This is not graph sheet. You have to take the graph sheet and mark this x-axis and this is y-axis. See here less than type ogive. What you have numbers? Less than 20, 25, 30, 35. So your graph start from 20, right? So let me take each scale of x-axis. X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units I will take. See here, but I have taken first one 20, next one 25, 30, 35, 40. I will take like this and I am going to compress the graph by a wave, right? And now coming to y-axis, this is age in years and this side cumulative frequency, number of policy holders you can write. And what about your scale here? 12, 25, 40, 66, 84, 100 you have. So same manner you can take here 10, 20, 30 like that. That means y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units you take. Okay. And your graph less than type ogive. Directly plot these values in graph. That means how will be your graph? Like this it will be there. Right? Less than type ogive from down to up. That means low to high your curve will be there. Directly do this in graph. 29. Prove that the length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. This is a direct theorem from circles. See children, in circles we will be having only 2 theorems. Among those, one is compulsory for 3 marks. Very small theorem. Don't forget to learn this, right? 30th question. Prove that cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. So let me take the question here. Prove that cosec A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A is equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. We can consider LHS and prove RHS, or you can consider RHS and get LHS, or you can drag LHS and RHS at a time to get the same answer. Now let me consider left hand side. Consider left hand side. Cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A. Cosecant A I can write it as 1 by sin A minus sin A into secant A can be written as 1 by cos A minus cos A. Now do LCM. 1 minus sin square A by sin A into 1 minus cos square A by cos A. Understand here cos A and 1 LCM is cos A, sin A and 1 LCM is sin A. And now by identities I can say 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So write here cos square A by sin A into 1 minus cos square A is sin square A by cos A. So please don't forget to write whatever identities we are writing, therefore or since you write and write beside. That means here we know secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. You can write by identities 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. This paper I am doing in short. right? Now 1 sin A cancels. 1 cos A cancel. Now what you are left here? Sin A into cos A. Mark it first equation. Now consider RHS. Consider right hand side. What we have? 1 by tan A plus cot A. So let me complete the problem here. 1 by tan A is nothing but sin A by cos A plus cot A can be written as cos A by sin A. Do LCM. 1 by sin square A plus cos square A by sin A cos A. Did you get this? Look here, cos A and sin A LCM is sin A cos A. Here you have cos A. So multiply 1 sin A for the numerator and you have here sin A, another cos A, multiply for the numerator. Now 1 by sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Substitute that by sin A cos A. Bring the sin A cos A to the numerator. Sin A cos A by 1 you are going to get. So finally you can rewrite this as sin A into cos A. So mark the second equation. Therefore from 1 and 2 equations I can say LHS is equal to RHS. And again rewrite the question and write hence it is proved. In this we have one more OR question. Find the value of sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosecant 60 degree whole divided by secant 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. You should remember ratio table in order to substitute in this, right? So now let's find the sin 30 value is 1 by 2 plus tan 45 value is 1 minus cosecant 60 degree, that is 2 by root 3 whole divided by secant 30 degree 2 by root 3 plus cos 60, it is 1 by 2 plus cot 45 1. Now numerators do LCM, denominators also do LCM. Next step. 2 and root 3 LCM is 2 root 3. Here you have 2 root 3 multiply root 3 plus nothing there means you need to multiply 2 root 3 for the numerator minus 2 you multiply here 2 2s are 4. Similarly here also 2 root 3 LCM. You have root 3 so multiply for this 2. 2 2s are 4. Plus you have to multiply root 3 and here 2 root 3. Now 2 root 3 cancel. What you are going to get here? Root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 3 root 3 minus 4. Coming to denominator, 2 root 3 plus root 3 is 3 root 3 plus 4. Is the problem complete? No. Denominator should not be in the form of surd. So what we are going to do? We are going to rationalize by the conjugate of the denominator. How we are going to rationalize? By multiplying the conjugate, that is 3 root 3 minus 4 for numerator and also denominator. Multiply 3 root 3 minus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4 whole divided by 3 root 3 plus 4 into 3 root 3 minus 4. Observe here children, it is in the form of a minus b into a minus b. I can write it as a minus b whole square. Denominator a plus b into a minus b form there. So this we can write it as 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square by 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 whole square. Now apply a minus b whole square formula. 3 root 3 whole square minus 2ab 2 into 3 root 3 into b value is 4 plus 4 whole square whole divided by. Observe here 3 root 3 whole square means 3 3s are 9. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 9 3s are 27 minus 4 4s are 16. And again numerator 3 root 3 whole square is how much? 27 minus 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24 root 3 plus 4 4s are 16. 27 minus 16 will be 11. 27 plus 16 it will be 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. Right? Therefore, your solution is 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. See, in this problem, you have a chance of doing mistake. Where you are going to do the mistake, most of the children will stop the problem here. They forget to multiply numerator and denominator by their conjugates. See, denominator should not be in third form. So, denominator bring up to the normal number. Denominator should not be in the third form. So, rationalize and do the calculation carefully. Okay. Next, 31st problem. Construct a triangle of sides 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm. So, this construction just I am showing you rough. You please do properly. 6 cm, 8 cm, 10 cm. So, let me take 10 cm base. A, B I will mark. From A as a center, 6 cm draw an arc. From B as a center, 8 cm cut this arc and then join. Okay. And you are going to construct another triangle whose sides are in the ratio 3 by 4 times the corresponding sides of the given triangle. So here, observing the ratio, you can say your new triangle will be inside the original triangle or outside. Observe there it is a proper fraction. Proper fraction means the new triangle will be inside. That first thing you should observe. How to do this construction of another triangle? So from A as a center, draw a ray which is acute. Right? 3 by 4. What is the greater number? You can see 4. So from here, mark 4 arcs. Right? Mark this A1, A2, A3, A4. From A4, denominator to join other side of the base with a scale. Right? And numerator what you have? 3. 3, right? So from here draw an arc. From here again draw an arc. Go back, measure, measure, cut and then extend the line. Now from here again arc, arc, go back, measure, cut and then join. So this is your new triangle. Mark this as A, B dash, C dash is similar to triangle ABC, right? In the ratio 3:4. So given data, and if you need 4 to 5 line steps if you want, you can write, right? So let's move to the 32nd problem. In the figure, you can see a figure here, right? And this is a quadrant. Can you observe the quadrant? Yes. And from here to here some point P is given and this part is shaded. Okay. So now let's read the question. In the figure, the length of the arc AB of the circle with center O is 11 centimeters. See your children, from here to here arc given, how much it is? 11 centimeter it says. Length of the arc, do you remember a formula? Yes. What is that? Length of an arc is equal to theta by 360 degree into, where is arc? Arc is in the circumference of a circle. So what formula you are going to remember? Into 2 pi r, that's it. So now length of arc given 11 centimeter. Theta, angle is right angle, that means 90 degree by 360 degree into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. Where is the radius? Let's read here. If OP is equal to 4 centimeter, see this OP from here to here it is 4 centimeter, then find the area of the shaded region. So how can I find this radius? By using this length of an arc, I will find R, right? So let's start finding. 9 4s are 36, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are, and this 7 send here. 11 into 7 by 11 is equal to R. 11 cancel. What is the radius you got, children? Radius is 7 centimeter. Radius means from here to here and here to here, right? You know OP. You know OP is only 4 centimeter. Then what about this part? It is 7 minus 4, 3 centimeter. So don't worry, don't bother about that. What is OB we got? Radius is 7 centimeters. Now how can I find that shaded region? In a quadrant area, subtract the right triangle area. You are going to get the shaded region. So frame the formula here. Area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant. Area of quadrant minus area of triangle AOB. Okay. What is area of a quadrant formula? Pi r square by 4. And what about area of a triangle AOB? Half into base OB into height. Only up to OP we need to consider. Right? Now pi value is 22 by 7 into 1 by 4 into r. What we got r? 7 into 7 minus half into OB value is 7. OP value is 4. Don't write here also 7. And now 2 2s are 2 11s are 1 7 1 7 cancel. And here you are going to left with 11 7s are 77 by 2 minus 2 2s are 4. That is 7 2s are 14. So let me continue here. 77 minus 14 2s are 28 by 2. 77 minus 29, it will be 49 by 2. Cancel. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8.5. That means area of the shaded region is equal to 24.5 centimeter square. Right? In areas related to circles problems, observe the figure carefully and see where is the shaded region. So if you are able to observe shaded region properly, you will be able to frame the formula correctly. Right? Is this clear? If you want, watch again how to solve this problem and then you can solve it. 33rd problem. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points. See, when you are reading the problem, you just try to frame this. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points -1, 7 and 4, minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. So what we need to find? We need to find this point coordinate. So they have given x1, y1, x2, y2, ratio m1:m2. Which formula we are going to use to find the point? Section formula. That is P of x, y is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. Right? Substitute. m1 value is 2, x2 value is 4, plus m2 value is 3, x1 value is minus 1. By m1 plus m2, 2 plus 3, comma 2 into y2 value is minus 3 plus 3 into y1 value is 7 whole divided by 2 plus 3. 2 fours are 8, 3 into minus 1 minus 3 by 5, comma minus 6 plus 7 3s are 21 by 5. And this one 8 minus 3 is 5 by 5, comma 21 minus 6 it will be 15 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 3s are 15. Therefore, what is the coordinate, children? Px comma y is 1 comma 3. So this problem you have one more OR question, that is find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 7 comma minus 2, 5 comma 1 and 1 comma 4. What we are going to find? We are going to find the area of the triangle. So do you remember the formula? Area of triangle. Let me mark ABC. You can mark, if you want the coordinates, you can mark it ABC is equal to half of, formula very easy to remember, children, x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. You write off first. Okay. How to write now? 1, 2, 3. Next, with 2 you start. 2, 3, 1. Then again with 3, 3, 1, 2. That's it. What is area of a triangle formula? Half of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now for these coordinates, mark x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Substitute in this formula. Half of x1 value is 7, y2 value 1 minus, observe there y3 4 plus x2 value is 5, y3 value 4 minus y1 value is minus 2. So don't forget to keep in bracket, plus x3 1, y1 minus 2 minus y2 value is 1. So half of 7 into 1 minus 4 is minus 3 plus 5 into, remove this bracket, minus into minus, plus 4 plus 2 will be 6 plus 1 into minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Half of plus into minus, minus 7 3s are 21, 5 6 are 30, minus 3 plus into minus, minus 1 into 3 is 3. Half of minus 21 minus 3 is minus 24 plus 30. That is half of 30 minus 24 will be 6. 2 3s are 6. That is 3 square units. What is the area, children, here? Area of a triangle ABC is equal to, area of triangle ABC is equal to 3 square units. Right? So 3 square units. See here, this side I have written answers in short. Means you try the question paper and just check your answers by seeing this line. If you have any doubt in any problem, then you can see that problem once or twice. Okay. With this, we are going to complete our fourth main. Thank you all.